weeks on East Jackson County's active COVID-19 outbreak list, a Lee's Summit nursing home has now been removed from that list.
The I-Team's Andy Alcock spoke with a man whose mom was one of 137 residents and staff to test positive.
With all the falls that she was having, so we had to put her in a nursing home.
Brian Smith is talking about his mom, Darlene. Smith says Darlene suffers from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, and has been a patient at the Wilshire at Lakewood Care Center in Lee's Summit since January. According to Smith, she contracted COVID-19 in September.
She was more concerned about passing away, her health and getting the right treatment that she needed. She was afraid she'd have to go to the hospital and be on a defibrillator.
Fortunately, Darlene recovered. State records show Wilshire at Lakewood Care Center has had 4 different COVID-19 surveys conducted for the Federal Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services since May, including 3 from mid-August through September. The nursing home was found in compliance for virus protocols all 4 times. According to federal guidelines, a new COVID-19 survey is triggered with 3 or more new cases since the last report. In a statement from Wilshire Administrator Bart Davis, he said there are currently 0 active COVID-19 cases for residents of the 170-bed facility. Overall, Davis said 89 residents have had the virus and another 48 staff members for a total of 137 cases. However, because the center hasn't had a new case in 28 days or 2 virus incubation periods, the East Jackson County Health Department no longer lists Wilshire as an active outbreak site. Davis also said not all the staff and residents who tested positive displayed symptoms, but all those people were quarantined according to CDC, state and local health department guidelines.
I believe isolating her into a different room by herself was a good thing. If her health condition got worse and the breathing was really bad for her, I would have wanted her to go to a hospital.
Wilshire is far from alone in dealing with the pandemic. According to East Jackson County Health Department records, of the 684 cases at active outbreak sites, 499 of them, or just under 73%, have been at senior living facilities like Wilshire. As of Friday, the Johnson County, Kansas Health Department reports 719 cases at 42 senior living active outbreak sites. Although this graph shows the recent spike in Johnson County cases is largely not related to senior living facilities, where new cases have remained relatively flat over several months. One ongoing issue for months for people like Brian Smith is being able to spend any time with his mom. The only way he's been able to see Darlene is outside and through a fence line, and only after he signed a waiver stating he wouldn't sue Wilshire if he contracted COVID. In Lee's Summit, I'm investigator Andy Alcock, 41 Action News.